Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into chapter 236 of Jujutsu Kaisen and exploring what is in store after Gojo Satoru latest order date. So after that intense face off with Gojo, fans have been buzzing with speculation about his comeback. I mean Gojo being out of commissions for Wu, know how long that tough feels to swallow. But don't lose hope just as there is a glimmer of hope on the horizon. Some recent development hint at the possible of Gojo making a comeback. Remember that scene in chapter 236. Yeah, it got us all thinking about where the story might head next. Now let us talk. Now let's talk the latest release. Volume 26 gave us a sneak peek of Gojo in those opening eyes, and fans went wild. Even a glimpse of hint regret those comeback rumors. But wait, there is more. The English translate cover volume 59 and the Japanese cover volume 107 tease some institution character, and if we peek inside the few pages, we might uncover some additional clues. Before delving into chapter 236, let's quickly skim through the index of volume 107 to see what chapters are included. Oh look, chapter 26 to chapter 236. No, recent update there within chapter 226. It itself, Gojo absent, has fans speculation like crazy of surprise. Speaking of surprises, chapter 255 dropped some major bombshells with Megumi and Yuji stirring up tensions and running high. But before this showdown, let's address Sukuna condition. He is unable to use reverse curse technique or domain anymore, and his heart in bad shape. Talk about a setback. But wait, there is a twist. Chapter 235 unravels Sukuna building technique. Inama rope catching Gojo off guard with a surprise attack. It is a moment like this that keeps us glued to the edge of our seats. And let's not forget the speculation surrounding between Gojo comeback. Chapter 255 hinting some major development. Fans how it's play out. Will Gojo make a triumphant return or his absence here to stay? So what do you think about Gojo potential comeback? Are you rooting for him all the way, or are you enjoying the current story? Share your thought below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for Jujutsu Kaisen updates. Until next time, stay hyped, stay tuned and keep believing in Gojo return. Thank you so much.